Good morning, lovelies. Happy Wednesday. How's everyone doing on this Wednesday? Midweek. So, check in. How's everyone doing? Having a good week? Having a bad week? I like Wednesday because it's a good day to assess, what your intentions were for the week and then how things are going, right? So if you're having a bad week, today's the day, this morning, reset your intention and say, no, I'm going to let go what happened that was bad and I'm going to be positive and move forward. I can change the course of this week. I'm not going to have a garbage week the whole week, right? Just a little friendly advice for you. I'm having to do that this morning, so I thought I'd share. Gosh, I love coffee. Okay, so for my look today, I felt like being dramatic and I felt like a power look because I need it. So what I used, my lovelies, I did the CC cream. I have been loving putting the tea tree, just a couple drops of the tea tree serum in my foundation before I blend it in. It helps with, so the tea tree serum helps control excess sebum and, all those things that break down your makeup. And it helps then with breakouts as well. I use it as a toner. Wearing a mask and stuff, I've just down here is just not very happy with me. So I love that. So I'm loving this flippin' CC cream. So yeah, and then just normal contouring and all that. For my eyes today, I utilized the Vintage Season palette because it's my go-to. And instead of using the red and that, I used the Long Last Creamy Eyeshadow Red Glaze. So I took the Vintage Season palette, the light color, and did up here along my brow bone, and then made sure I formed this kind of V shape down to my inner corner, right? And then I took the middle color and I created and went high up on the brow bone and just a nice soft kind of blended out accent there, and then did that same V look down into my water duct, just slightly below where the light color was. And then I came in with the red glaze and just patted that in and then blended it out a little bit. I did want it to be a kind of, I don't want to call it a harsh line, but a solid kind of a line to give that V shape and just follow that shape of my eye. And then I blended that out with more of that middle brown color there at the edge. Then I went much and grabbed the ink liner, this bad boy, and I did a nice little wingy dingy. I grabbed my Extra Last Black on the bottom along with a little bit of that brown, and then just kind of smoked that out a little bit. And then I brightened up my lower lash line with the white Express pencil. And then of course my Zen for my lippies today. This is Superstar. I love Superstar. It's very dark, very dramatic. To brighten up and give it some dimension, I grabbed my highlighter palette whilst I was highlighting, all the areas that we highlight. And I grabbed this orange color. So basically once the lipstick had dried, I went back in, put a little bit on my finger like this, and then dabbed it in the middle and smudged it out like that. Gives it a little bit of extra dimension, a little bit of fun. So yeah, that's my look for today. Oh, and I did use a lip liner. It was number 219. Like just a dark kind of cranberry red color. So that's my look for today. Do you love these earrings from Betty Jane Boutique? I think I have one pair of these left. A couple of these rompers left. So yeah, you'll have to check it out. Anywho, I hope you all have a wonderful Wednesday. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and we'll see you next time. Bye.